kilogram final underway. Kamal of Turkey is in the red, ÇOYBEKOV of Kyrgyzstan in the blue. ÇOYBEKOV looking to throw here. Oh, he's done that well. His key weapon on display right from the off. Kamal with the 5-point lead. What a throw.
I mean, that throw really shook the stands, really. You could hear it throughout the whole arena here. Huge shoulder throw, took him straight over, so explosive. And you know, it's good to see Kamal back in these finals. He was so good for such a long time. Under 23, really dominated over the years. And he's been out the last 14, 15 months. Good body locker, takes him over a huge 4 points. And that will be it.
Kerem Kamal, welcome back. How we've missed you.
Talk about coming back with a bang.
Now, ÇOYBEKOV has been in situations similar to this. Remember the semi-final? He was down and out at 8-0. About to be eliminated, but the challenge kept him in it.
And it looks like here from Kamal that it is an offensive leg foul. The referee couldn't see it from her angle, but the left knee, just watch it go underneath ÇOYBEKOV here. Bink takes him over. Left knee under. Big hip movement there.
Well, the Turkish corner might say, George, that ÇOYBEKOV hooks his leg in between Kamal's.
Yeah, I mean, he does, but Kamil puts his knee behind first, and it's not just the foot that counts, it's the whole leg. So you can't use your knee, you can't use your thigh, can't use anything like that to trip or use it to leave your opponent over, should I say.
In the semi-final that ÇOYBEKOV thought he was out against Alexander's Yurkyans. Yurkyans took him for a takedown and then spun him several times for an 8-0 lead, and that was rescinded. And ÇOYBEKOV came back to win. No such luck this time. Challenge lost. Kerem Kamal with two massive throws to win the gold medal, a stunning gold medal. Explosive.